In the aftermath of the Amarna period, a time marked by religious revolution and political instability, Egypt was in dire need of strong leadership. Enter Horemheb, a former general turned pharaoh, who would guide Egypt back to order and prosperity. Born in the shadow of great temples and towering pyramids, Horemheb began his journey as a steadfast military leader. His rise through the ranks was marked by strategic brilliance and a profound understanding of both warfare and statecraft. His loyalty to the crown did not go unnoticed, and following the death of Pharaoh Tutankhamun, he was chosen to lead Egypt. As a military commander, Horemheb was revered for his tactical skills and ability to inspire his troops. His campaigns fortified Egypt's borders and brought renewed glory to the nation. However, his true challenge lay ahead in the role of pharaoh. The chaos left by the Amarna rulers had fractured the kingdom, calling for a leader who could unify and restore. Utilizing his military acumen, he enacted sweeping reforms that strengthened the infrastructure of Egypt and reinstated traditional religious practices that had been disrupted. His focus on law and order, alongside his skillful diplomacy, helped mend alliances both internally and externally. Horemheb was not merely a conqueror, but a shrewd administrator. He understood the necessity of stability and peace in fostering growth and prosperity. His reforms included restructuring the priesthood and legal system, re-establishing social norms, and rebuilding temples that had fallen into disrepair. Upon these efforts, Egypt once again flourished. Though his reign ended without an heir, his legacy persisted through the introduction of a new dynasty, signaling a period of continued stability and growth for Egypt.